good is this? No longer camped in a workshop. We are back in nature, wild camping, in a place that we've been before, but summer has well and truly passed us whilst we were rebuilding the engine, and autumn is now here and it is freezing. But that means we get to have a cool fire, right? So the plan is to cook our food tonight on this fire, saving fuel, electricity, and it just tastes so much better in my opinion.
Fire.
How's it taste?
Haven't mixed it enough yet.
Oh.
We'll just dirty. Ooh. Love me a fire onion. You don't get both the good onions.
I reckon we just eat them. Okay, it's a bit cramped, but we do have some food, we have some wine, we've got some bread. You ready?
It doesn't look the most aesthetically pleasing, but I am ready to shove it in my face.
There's a sauce.
Yeah, we don't really have a sauce.
Got loads of sauces.
Yeah, but that's but like a porry sauce.
Well, you fucked up.
Yeah, it is a bit dirty. If you ever wondered what the yellow bit on our solar panel was, it is our cleaner, extendable cleaner for the solar panel, and we were obviously in the garage for a while, which was very, very dusty, and we never cleaned our solar panel. And then I made my bread yesterday, so we could really do without a max solar right now, but it's a beautiful day, and we've already tipped the roof. So that's 50 watts more, so let's see if we can squeeze a few more out of it.
You're gonna go for a dip in a bit.
Oh my days. It's pretty chilly here. It was, I don't know, what, 4 degrees at night, so yeah, no.
only someone had built a ladder.
That's for the back. It's for the back.
Hey. Wash the ting.
It needs more.
Whoa, that's cold, man. Whoa.
There's a difference. Now the back. Why must everything? What is it?
What?
In there. Never figured out how to mount this on yet. Wanted it like permanently here, but the roof hits it, so at the moment
It's a no-go.
I'm a bit scared of my creation, if I'm honest. Not gonna lie. Haven't gotten it big yet. Okay.
Come on, muscles.
No, it's just a bit scary, isn't it? Ah. Don't trust what I've done. Right, clean it before it all breaks. Oh, pardon. Wash. Oh.
Hey, should we go wash it? Whoa, it's still not any warmer.
So,
Add it to our to-do list, repair bracket.
I didn't fall to my death.
221 watts.
Hey, that made a difference.
Yeah, you happy with that?
That's an extra 25 roughly. So I'll take that. Happy days. Something we get asked a lot of the time is, what do you do all day? And it's amazing how you fill up your day actually with something very small, like I need some hot water, because right now the cooker is once again playing up. It needs some more parts or something, so we have one can of butane left and we're trying to avoid using that really, so it's going to be au naturel. We are going to cook some water. We're going to heat up some water. We're going to use our little volcano. The good thing with this is that Amy's going to mess it up. The good thing with this is you only need like tiny little twigs to actually make it work. So I have these. helpful cat. Hey, you helping? Yes. See if I can get a kettle boiling over here, because I want a cup of tea and I need to do the washing up. But the water in the river is utterly freezing, so it's not like to heat it, to be honest. I hate lighters, literally hate them. I smoke it just because it's too annoying. It's kind of smoky and then I don't blow myself. So the idea with the volcano is that you put all your twigs in the little hatch on the side, which is this here, so you can feed stuff in and then you can pop the kettle on the top. So just gonna get it fired up and then see if it's possible for me to boil this whole full kettle with this. Just a couple of sticks. So let's see how good this thing is. There we go. Right, let's do this. And time to feed it. So if you ever use one of these, they do work pretty well, but you have to keep poking your sticks in because it's easy to forget that they've all burnt inside and then they just like fall out the side here without actually doing anything, and then it all goes out and then you have to start all over again. So keep poking them in, and I've nearly used them all up, so in a second you're going to see, did it boil or not? Right, and I think you can't really see this because it looks like it's smoke from the fire, but it's not. It's the kettle. The kettle's smoking. Look, there you go. We have lovely hot water. And so, while there's still some heat in this thing, make some breakfast, lunch, brunch, eggs. But I'm going to use our griddly thing here because the one problem when you cook on the fire is it makes everything, you can see it, everything is filthy. And I don't mind cleaning the kettle, but I don't really want to clean every pan I own. So, piece of bark, see if we can cook some eggs, which I think takes a lot less power than boiling a really big kettle of freezing water. Smoky. Oh my days. else is weird like me and doesn't like the stringy bit. I'm sure it's got a proper name. But like the bit on the egg that like attaches it to the yolk. I don't like it particularly. I once had a mousse, like a chocolate mousse, and it was in there, and because obviously mousse is raw, it was just this revolting stringy bit of egg, and it's kind of traumatised me for the rest of my life. So breakfast.
Oh, I see lots of eggs.
Lots of eggs, because they are quick. Turn that off for me.
Camera.
Yeah.
You guys need to check out Willow's freshly made loaf of bread. I can confirm it tastes as good as it looks.
Yeah, it's working. Another 30 seconds.
You're gonna get someone like that's not cooked enough.
It's because it's cheesy. That's why it's not raw egg, it's cheese.
Put it on my plate.
Let's do it. I wasn't really paying attention, to be honest. I was so excited to have actually made scrambled eggs at this point. After how long it took.
5 hours later.
Bark was not sufficient.
I will go on a bit of a search for more wood in a bit, but first feed me.
Cheesy eggs. Come get it. Really good.
It's really good.
It's really good.
This needs some smoked salmon.
Well, this is River. What are you doing?
I've tried in the past.
Catch me fish.
That's good, man.
It's really good. I mean, slow cooked scrambled eggs are better so they don't get so dry.
Okay, so we are going to carry on getting settled into this amazing camp spot. I'm not sure if you noticed, but this video we used a new camera, one that was given to us by Dean and Alison Robinson, and we've been carrying it around for months but never really had a chance to play around with it, and so we thought now would be a good time to see what it could do. So let us know in the comments below if the camera did all right, if you could tell a noticeable difference. And yeah, hopefully we'll be back very soon with some more van life adventures. Catch you guys soon.